In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Gemini chat. Renaming your chats is a simple way to keep your conversations organized, especially if you have multiple threads on different topics. A clear name makes it faster to pick up where you left off and easier to find the right conversation later. Start by opening the Gemini app on your phone or the web interface in your browser at gemini.google.com. Once you're in, look at your list of conversations. This list is usually on the left side on desktop or accessible from a menu on mobile. Scroll until you find the chat you want to rename. If you're not sure which one it is, open a few and glance at the messages to confirm you've got the right thread. When you've located the chat, you have two easy ways to start renaming. If you've opened the conversation, tap or click the current title at the top of the chat. On many screens, the title is right above the message history, and selecting it will reveal options. Alternatively, from your conversation list, look for the three-dot menu next to that chat. Tap or click those three dots to open a small menu of actions. In the menu that appears, choose Rename. This tells Gemini you want to change the label you see in your list of conversations. It won't affect the content of the chat, just the name you'll use to recognize it later. Type your new chat name. Make it descriptive enough that future you knows what's inside at a glance. For example, include the project, topic, or date range if that helps you stay organized. Keep it short but specific, and feel free to use a consistent naming style across your chats so they sort neatly and are easy to scan. When you're happy with the new title, confirm the change. Depending on your device, that might mean pressing Enter, clicking a Confirm or Save button, or simply tapping away from the text field. You should see the updated name appear immediately in your conversation list and at the top of the chat. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the rename option, try the other method. Either click the title inside the chat or use the three-dot menu from the conversation list. Make sure your app is up to date and give the page a quick refresh if the change doesn't appear right away. Your new chat name will carry over across devices as long as you're signed in to the same account. That's it. You've successfully renamed your Gemini chat, making it easier to find and manage your conversations.